Hello everyone, I am Sumit Silan Chaudhary. This is my brief introduction that I have done BA from Delhi University and then LLB, and currently I am pursuing PhD. I am also NET JRF qualified. So this is my brief introduction. Let's move to the question paper. चलिए क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करते हैं. This is a previous year question paper of Assistant District Attorney हरियाणा. it ये 2018 का क्वेश्चन पेपर है. इसको हम सॉल्व करते हैं. First question, which of the following offense is not compoundable? So easy question, everybody knows 307. Let me select the pen. Okay, now let's start. Okay, everybody know 307 is not compoundable. The second question, which one of the following statement is correct about document as defined in Indian Penal Code? The answer number, option number A is the answer. This is similar to the definition of document as defined in the Indian Evidence Act. Which of the following state has a bicameral legislation? State of Jammu and Kashmir has a bicameral legislation. Bicameral legislation means where the in a state, some state has a two houses, like the parliament has two houses. Parliament has two houses, lower house and the upper house. In the same way, some state legislation has a two houses. So the state which has a two house that is called bicameral. इसमें दो houses होते हैं, upper house and lower house. So in India, we have almost 7 states, which we have 7 states. There is a bicameral legislature. जो those 7 states, we should remember all this. किसी भी क्वेश्चन में, किसी भी पेपर में पूछा जा सकता है कि भाई कौन कौन से स्टेट्स हैं जिनमें बाइकैमरल लेजिस्लेशन है. तो जम्मू इंक्लूडिंग जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. द अदर स्टेट्स आर आंध्र प्रदेश, बिहार, कर्नाटका, तेलंगाना and Uttar Pradesh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, and one more, Maharashtra. Maharashtra. So total we have 7 states where bicameral legislation are functioning. 7 states. Next is the period of limitation within which dependent shall submit his written statement is ordinary within 30 days. The answer is B, 30 days from the service of summon, or 90 days is allowed by the court. Where it is written? This rule is given, order it rule 1. Order it rule 1 talk about this, that written statement should be given within 30 days or 90 days. 90 days if allowed by the court. Which one of the following is not correct matched? The arrest by private person. Arrest by private person, where it is written? This is wrong. Arrest by private person is given 43. Arrest by magistrate is correct 44. Arrest how made, section 46 talk about arrest how, this is also correct. Police without warrant, 41, this is all correct, this is correct, this was wrong, 42 was wrong, it should have been 43. Okay. Arrest by private person is given under section 43 IPC, sorry CRPC. तो सेक्शन 43 को याद रखिए, अरेस्ट बाय प्राइवेट पर्सन 43 में. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्रीज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन ब्रिक्स. ब्रिक्स में कौन सी कंट्री नहीं है. तो सबसे पहले हमें ब्रिक्स में ये पता होना चाहिए कौन कौन सी कंट्री है. तो कौन कौन सी कंट्री ब्रिक्स, BRICS, कंट्री के फर्स्ट अल्फ़ाबेट से ही ब्रिक्स बना हुआ है हर एक कंट्री की. B फॉर ब्राज़ील, ZI ब्राज़ील, R फॉर रशिया, I फॉर इंडिया, C फॉर चाइना, एंड S फॉर साउथ अफ्रीका. और ये सारी कंट्रीज हैं, दीज आर द कंट्रीज विच कम्स अंडर ब्रिक्स. तो ऑप्शन में हम देख सकते हैं ब्राज़ील कम्स अंडर ब्रिक्स, रशिया ब्रिक्स के अंदर आती है, इंडिया भी, बट कैनेडा इट डज नॉट कम अंडर द ब्रिक्स. ऑप्शन पूछा होता क्वेश्चन में, नॉट कम्स अंडर द ब्रिक्स. अब रिजेक्शन ऑफ प्लेंट इज मेंशन्ड अंडर डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है, ये बिल्कुल डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा हुआ है. ऑर्डर 7 रूल 1 टॉक अबाउट रिजेक्शन ऑफ प्लेंट, बिल्कुल डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है. प्रॉमिस विच फॉर्म द कंसिडरेशन और पार्ट ऑफ द कंसिडरेशन फॉर ईच अदर आर कार्ड. क्या कहा जाता है, दीज आर कॉल्ड रेसिप्रोकल प्रोमिसेस. रेसिप्रोकल प्रोमिसेस कहाँ दिए हुए, इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट में दिए हैं. इट इज डिफाइंड इन 2 clause F टॉक अबाउट रेसिप्रोकल प्रोमिस. प्रपोजल 2A, contract, the contract is defined under section 2 clause H and agreement is under 2 clause E. You should remember definition clause तो किसी भी एक्ट का छोड़ना नहीं. और ये सारी डेफिनेशन इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसमें इस क्वेश्चन में इन्होंने पूछ लिया था रेसिप्रोकल प्रॉमिस की डेफिनेशन दे दी और पूछ लिया ये क्या है, दिस इज कॉल्ड रेसिप्रोकल प्रॉमिस. बट नेक्स्ट टाइम इट मे हैपन वो आपको एग्रीमेंट की डेफिनेशन दे दें, या पूछ सकते हैं वेयर एग्रीमेंट इज डिफाइंड. दे कैन ऑल्सो आस्क वेयर द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज डिफाइंड. तो एग्रीमेंट, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, रेसिप्रोकल, प्रपोजल, ऑल आर इम्पोर्टेंट, डोंट लीव इट. खुला इज ए फॉर्म ऑफ डिवोर्स बाय परचेज. A knowingly the B has committed dacoity. Knowingly conceals B in order to screen him from legal punishment. Which offense has A committed? Harboring. Harboring is defined under section 212. Next, breakdown theory. Next is breakdown theory of divorce is reflected in section 13 clause 1A of Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Next is, which one of the following sections CRPC is related with the withdrawal of prosecution. Withdrawal of prosecution बिल्कुल डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है. सेक्शन 321 talk about withdrawal of prosecution. Direct question means these are question asked not from the content of section, just from the title of sections. 321 just talk about withdrawal of prosecution, direct question. Next is, which one of the following statement is correct. Yeah. Every partnership is agency, this is correct. 13. 14 question, now come on 14. In criminal cases, fact in issue include Framing of charge by the magistrate. Question number 15. Which of the following is not an exception to the general principle that hearsay evidence is no evidence? Answer is expert opinion is not an exception to the general principle that hearsay evidence is no evidence. Question number 16. Headquarter of New Development Bank is located in Shanghai, China. That is in China. जीके का क्वेश्चन है. Question number 17. Which one of the following pair does not match? Incorrect बताना हमें. Incorrect is novation of a contract. First 64 is not novation of contract. Novation of contract is given under section 62. So first option is not match. This is incorrect. बाकी this is correct. Wagering agreement are given section 30. Anticipatory breach is 39. T talk about happening of impossible event section 36. Next, warrant case. Warrant case means a case relating to an offence punishable with. सबसे पहले हम बताएं जो warrant case कहाँ डिफाइंड है. 2 clause X में warrant case डिफाइंड है. तो पूछता भी warrant case means a case relating to an offence punishable with. Option number C is correct. More than 2 year imprisonment. It is where it is defined. 2 clause X. Direct definition. A civil court cannot issue commission in the following cases. To execute a decree. Civil court cannot issue a commission to execute a decree. तो किस क्या क्या कहाँ कहाँ मतलब when the civil court can issue a commission on what matters? Civil court can issue a commission. Read section 75 CPC. This question was from the content of the section. ये डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं था. आप सेक्शन 75 CPC पढ़ेंगे, then you will see if where a court can issue commission or where cannot issue a commission. A complete detail is provided. Muslim wife can relinquish her mahar when she is not less than 18 years of age. Kaziranga is known for rhinoceros. This is correct. Kaziranga is a national park. This is a national park. National park name. Kaziranga is a national park name. It is located in Assam. Next is maximum period for which a magistrate may send the arrested person in police custody is 15 days. Order 21 of CPC is related with. Order 21 CPC is related to. Right question. Execution of decree. Execution of decree is provided under Order 21. Order 21. Talk about execution of decree. Next is change in the nature of obligation in a contract is known as novation. D is correct. It is known as novation. Novation is provided under section 62. In which of the following case the Supreme Court has declared section 303 IPC is unconstitutional? This was declared in Mittu Singh versus State of Punjab. Question number 26. Which of the following section of Indian Partnership Act 1932 is related with the expulsion of partner? Expulsion of partner. Section 33. Talk about expulsion of partner. This is given in chapter 10. Important. Chapter 10 is very important chapter in coming and outgoing partner. Next, question number 27. A agrees to pay B 1,000 rupees if two straight line should enclose a space. This agreement is void. Why this agreement is void? Section 36. Read section 36 illustration. Direct. This the illustration is very important. In many questions, in many question paper, many exams, directly illustration is asked like this. This is directly from the section 736 illustration. So don't forget to read all these illustrations. Every illustration is important. Section 28. Question 28. Under CRPC, if a woman sentenced to death is found to be pregnant, her death sentence may be commuted to imprisonment for life by the by the High Court. Under which section? By the High Court under section 416 CRPC. Next, question number 29. Which of the following provisions CPC is related with the amendment of pleading? Amendment of pleading बहुत बारी आता है, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन, बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स में पूछा गया अमेंडमेंट ऑफ प्लीडिंग. दिस इज वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. ये 7-11 ऑर्डर 7 रूल ऑर्डर 6 रूल 17 अमेंडमेंट ऑफ प्लीडिंग ऑर्डर 6 रूल 17. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन 30. De minimis non curate lex related to which one of the following of the IPC is based upon the maxim de minimis non curate lex? It is section 95 is based on this maxim. Next, question 31. Section 110 of the Evidence Act supports the statement that possession is prima facie evidence of ownership. Next, question 32. Under the order 8 rule 6 of the CPC, set off be permitted if set off claimed by the defendant is a certain sum of money. The money should be a certain, there should be a certain sum of money. Only set off can be claimed. No, option number B is correct. Question number 33. Private person may arrest any person who is in possession, who in his presence commits. Private person may arrest any person who in his presence commits non-bailable and the conjugal offense. Next, 34. A minor may be admitted to the benefit of a partnership firm. Option number A, with the consent of all the existing partner. Section 30. Read section 30. Next question 35. Which one of the following section of Evidence Act is related with the refreshing the memory? Direct question 159. Talk about section 159. Talk about refreshing the memory. Next 36. At which of the following place did Mahatma Gandhi first start his satyagraha in India is Champaran. Next 37. A confession made under section 164 of CRPC can be recorded by magistrate during the course of investigation but before the commencement of inquiry and trial. Option number D is correct. Next question 38. Which of the following disease is not caused by polluted water? Not caused by polluted water. Dysentery is caused by polluted water. Jaundice is caused by polluted water. Typhoid is caused by polluted water. Tuberculosis is not caused by पॉल्यूटेड वाटर, ये सब पॉल्यूटेड, बाकी पॉल्यूटेड वाटर से होते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ assessment of damages for breach of contract is given in Hardley versus Baxender. Next question number 40. The power of Supreme Court to transfer a case and appeals from one High Court to another High Court can be exercised on an application by Attorney General of India. Option number B is correct. 41. Which one of the following does not come under the definition of decree? Does not come under the definition of decree. Note, not come under the definition of decree. An adjudication which conclusively determines the rights of the parties with regard to some of the matters in issue before the court. This is correct. This is the definition. This comes under the definition of decree. Decrees, where decree is defined? Section 2 clause 2. Remember. Rejection of plaint is a decree. Determination of any question under section 144 of CPC is a decree. Dismissal of a suit for default is not a decree. Okay. Section definition clause, section 2 clause 2. Next. Which of the following provision of CRPC empowered the magistrate to visit and inspect any place in which the offence is alleged to have been committed? Section 310. It was a direct question. Local inspection. Section 310. Section 310 talk about local inspection. Local inspection. 43. In which of the following case it was held that a contract through telephone is concluded at the place where acceptance is heard? Bhagwan Das versus Gidhai Lal. Option A is correct. Next question 44. Which of the following statement is correct about the plea bargaining? Which one of the following is correct? It is not applicable for the offence for which the punishment is more than 7 years. This is correct. Option A is correct. No need to go further. Next question number 45. Which one of the following statement is incorrect about the second appeal? Incorrect बताएंगे. It may lie in any court. Second appeal. The second appeal. Section 100 talk about सेकेंड अपील. और सेकेंड अपील कहाँ होती है? हाई कोर्ट में. बट इट इज सेइंग कि भाई इसमें बताना में इनकरेक्ट. इट मे लाई इन एनी कोर्ट, नॉट इन एनी कोर्ट. इट मे लाई इन हाई कोर्ट. सो इनकरेक्ट ही बताना था. ए इज इनकरेक्ट. बाकी पढ़ लेते हैं. इट मे लाई अगेंस्ट एक्स पार्टी डिग्री. करेक्ट. It may lie in case where the substantial question of law involved. Correct. A was not correct and we had to find out incorrect. So option A is correct. Answer. Question number 46. Which of the following way Muslim marriage can be dissolved by Muslim husband? Talaq, hila, jihar, all of these. Muslim marriage can be dissolved by all of these, like talaq, hila, jihar. Next question number 47. Which of the following statement is correct about Evidence Act? Confession applies to, what is this? Confession applies to both civil and criminal proceeding. This is wrong. Confession only applies to criminal proceeding, not on civil proceeding. This is next. Hostile witness is defined under section 154 of Evidence Act. This is wrong. Principle of estoppel applies in civil proceeding only. This is correct. Evidence of a good character in a criminal case are not relevant. Option number C is the answer. Option C is the correct answer. Next question of 48. Which among the following is not entitled to claim maintenance under section 125 CRPC? इसमें बताना है not entitled to claim maintenance under section 125. Unmarried sister, no. Unmarried sister is not entitled. Adopted mother is entitled. Divorced wife who does not remarry is entitled. Illegitimate minor is entitled. Question 49. Which of the following statement is not correct? Minor not correct. Minor contract is void. This is not correct. This is not correct. Agreement caused by undue influence is voidable. This is correct. Agreement in restraint of marriage is void. Correct. Waging agreement is void. Correct. Next question 50. Which of the following section of Partnership Act business defined in section 2 clause B? Next question 51. Which of the following sections CRPC is relevant with the treatment of a victim of acid attack? Treatment of victim is provided in the 357C. Next question 52. Privity of a contract means privity of contract means only party to the contract may sue on it. This is correct. 53. Which of the following section of IPC deal with the act not intended to cause death done by consent in good faith for the person benefit? 53. Answer is option 88. Section 88 is correct. Correct. Question 54. Adultery by Hindu husband is adultery by Hindu husband is a ground of divorce. अडल्ट्री के ऊपर भी काफ़ी क्वेश्चन आते हैं. विच ऑफ द व्हाट वाज द केस ऑन विच अडल्ट्री वाज डीक्रिमिनलाइज? हमें पता होना चाहिए कि अडल्ट्री वाज डीक्रिमिनलाइज इन जोशिप JOSEPH जोशिप शाइन वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया. और अडल्ट्री का प्रोविज़न क्या है? सेक्शन 497 is adultery. In Joship Sign versus Union of India, section 497 was decriminalized. There cannot be criminal proceeding initiated against a person who commit adultery, but adultery is still a ground of divorce. Next question, number 55. A partner by holding out. Holding out is a partner to arrange the capital of the firm? No. A partner to share in a profit of the firm? No. Holding out, a person liable for loss of the firm? Wrong. A partner by holding out is a person liable to another who incurs liability believing him as a partner. Yeah. Which section talk about holding out? Section 28 talk about holding out. This is section 28, holding out. Proposal when accepted becomes promise. Promise की definition पता होनी चाहिए. Promise हाँ defined है. Promise is defined in section 2 clause B Indian Contract Act. Where agreement is defined in 2 clause E. Contract defined in 2 clause H. These are the very important definitions. Next question, question number 57. The case of Muhammad Ahmad Khan, Shah Banu Begum. Muhammad and Shah Banu Begum is related with maintenance. Question 58. In which of the following section of the Sale of Goods Act 1930 unpaid sale is defined under section 46? Yes, unpaid sale is defined under section 45. Unpaid sale is defined under 45 define the unpaid seller, and 46 unpaid सेलर्स राइट की बात करता है. यहाँ अनपेड सेलर को डिफाइन करता है सेक्शन 45 डिफाइंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 59. Which of the following is not द ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशन, यूनाइटेड नेशन के ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज, ये जीके का क्वेश्चन है, हम यूनाइटेड नेशन के ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज का भी पता होना चाहिए। तो कौन सी इसमें ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज नहीं है ये पता है ना, इसको वही पर्सन करेक्ट आंसर मार्क कर सकता है जिसको ये पता हो कौन कौन सी ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज हैं। तो हमें सबसे पहले ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज पता होनी चाहिए। देयर आर द सिक्स ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेजेस ऑफ यूएन। व्हाट आर दोज? अरेबिया, सेकंड इज चाइनीज, इंग्लिश, फ्रेंच and Spanish and German। तो टोटल है 6 लैंग्वेजेस। 6 in the United Nations has 6 official languages. What are those? Arabia, Chinese, English, French, Spanish and the German। तो ऑप्शन में which is sorry not German, not German नहीं है, German is not a official language। Russia is an official language। Okay, Arabia, Chinese, English, French and Russia and Spanish। So we have 6 official language of United Nations। So German is not an official language। Next question 60, when 2 or more persons are fighting in a public place and disturbing the public peace, when they have committed the offense of affray, offense 159 IPC। ये सब भी इम्पोर्टेंट है, affray, राइटिंग, क्रिमिनल फोर्स, क्रिमिनल इंटिमिडेशन, तो इन सब के सेक्शन भी इम्पोर्टेंट्स हैं। इनको तो आप छोड़ के ही मत जाओ, इनको तो जरूर पढ़ो। किसी क्वेश्चन में affray पूछ लेते हैं, कभी राइट्स आर डिफाइंड अंडर 146 एंड 147 में 140 राइट्स की पनिशमेंट है। क्रिमिनल फोर्स इज अंडर 350, criminal intimidation defined in 503 and punishment is under 506 IPC। Next question 61 देखते हैं। Which of the following section of CRPC provides for the requirement of confirmation by the High Court of an order of death sentence passed by the Session Court? Section 366 talk about जब भी सेशन कोर्ट डेथ सेंटेंस देता है किसी को तो इट इज सब्जेक्ट टू कंफर्मेशन ऑफ हाई कोर्ट, तो उसको हाई कोर्ट कंफर्म करता है। नेक्स्ट 62, अंडर सेक्शन 6 ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन माइनॉरिटी एक्ट 1956 द नेचुरल गार्जियन ऑफ ए माइनर चाइल्ड इज फादर इज द नेचुरल गार्जियन। नेक्स्ट द नंदा देवी पीक is located in Uttarakhand। Question 64, Mota marriage is recognized by Itna Ansari School, Itna Ansari School। Question 65, which of the following sections of CRPC is related with the legal aid to the accused at state expenses? Section 304 talk about legal aid to the accused। Next question 66, which of the following is constitutional body? Fine National Commission for Women is not a constitutional body। ये क्या है? ये statutory body है। National Human Rights Commission not a constitutional body। Minority Commission not a constitutional। Finance Commission is a constitutional body। Finance Commission is a constitutional body under the Article 280 talk about the Finance Commission। Finance Commission is a constitutional body। These other bodies these are not constitutional body but these are statutory bodies। Next question 67, the maximum period of solitary confinement which may be ordered by the court is 3 months. Solitary confinement, section 73 IPC talk about solitary confinement. Maximum period of solitary confinement is 3 months. Next question 68. Under the section 31 of Sale of Goods Act 1930, the seller has a duty. The seller has duty to deliver goods. And next question 69. Which of the following court can try summarily offences mentioned in section 260 of the CRPC? Yes, Chief Judicial Magistrate can try summarily. Metropolitan Magistrate can try summarily. Any magistrate of the first class, especially empowered by High Court, can try summarily. Or option number D is correct. Next, 70. Next question. Question number 70. The case of R versus Dudley and Stephen is related to the defense of necessity. Next, question 71. Section 114 of CPC should be read with section 114. Section 114 114 talk about review. हमेशा रिव्यू का ऑर्डर है. और बी ऑर्डर 47 talk about review. Order 47 rule 1. This talk about review. Section 114 always read with section 114 always read or with order 47 rule 1. Yeah, order 46 talk about reference. Next question. What is the maximum period under section 110 of CRPC for furnishing security prescribed for keeping a good behavior? 3 years. Habitual offender. 3 years habitual offender. Next question 73. Muta marriage could not be dissolved ipso facto by the efflux of the period. Dissolved by death, dissolved by divorce, not dissolved by mudat can be dissolved, but muta marriage cannot be dissolved by a divorce. Next question number 74. Which of the following is not mentioned under the section 14 of the Evidence Act as a fact forming the state of mind? Not mentioned. Motive is not mentioned. Good faith is mentioned. Good faith comes under the state of mind. Ill will comes under the state of mind. Rashness comes under the state of mind. But motive does not come under the state of mind. इसके अलावा ये भी टर्म स्टेट ऑफ माइंड में आते हैं. इंटेंशन फ्रॉम द स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. इंटेंशन, knowledge comes under state of mind. Negligence, state of mind, and the goodwill. Comes under the state of mind. Next question 75. Which of the following section of Evidence Act is related with the accomplished? Direct question. Section 133 talk about accomplish. Next question 76. Which of the following is not an essential of partnership? An association of 2 or the more person होनी चाहिए, एसेंशियल है. एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, दिस इज एसेंशियल है. बिना कॉन्ट्रैक्ट तो पार्टनरशिप होगी नहीं, दिस इज एसेंशियल. शेयरिंग ऑफ प्रॉफिट, पार्टनरशिप में शेयरिंग ऑफ प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए, यस एसेंशियल है. मैंडेटरी रजिस्ट्रेशन, दिस इज नॉट एसेंशियल. पार्टनरशिप अनरजिस्टर्ड भी हो सकती है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 77. द केस ऑफ कश्मीरा सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ MP is related with evidence of co-accused. Next question 78. A attempts to pull Jad's nose in the exercise of the right of private defense, lays hold of A to prevent him from doing so. he is moved to sudden and violent passion in consequence and kills Z. Which offense is committed a murder? Illustration है. This is illustration. Committed the murder. Next question. 79. There shall be no appeal by a convicted person where the High Court passes a sentence of imprisonment for a term not exceeding 6 months. See section 376 CRPC. No appeal. This talk about no appeal. No appeal in petty cases. Section 376. Next question. Children born to annulled voidable marriage or void marriages under the section 11 and 12 of Hindu Marriage Act are legitimate होते हैं, legitimate but can inherit only the property of their parents. Yes. See section 16 Hindu Marriage Act. Next question 81 question. The procedure for summary trial is provided in the following section of CRPC. Yes, 260 to 265 talk about procedure for summary trial. Chapter number 21 talk about summary trial. Next question. The case of Hochster versus D. La Tour deal with anticipatory breach of contract. Next question 83. An offer and acceptance to it must be in the same sense. Next 84. How many sustainable development goals were set up by UNDP in the year 2016-17 is correct. Next, which of the following sections are related with the inherent power of High Court? Direct question. The inherent power of High Court. 482 talk about inherent power of High Court. Next question 86. Application for the anticipatory bail may be made before anticipatory bail application. Which section talk about anticipatory bail? 438 talk about anticipatory bail. और anticipatory bail ली जा सकती है सेशन कोर्ट और हाई कोर्ट से. Section 438 talk about anticipatory bail. See the chapter number 33. Bail and bond. This is very important. Next question 87. An agreement made without free consent is yes, either void or voidable. Same. Next 88. Which of the following section of CRPC prohibit the arrest of a woman in execution of a decree of money? Yeah, section 56 is correct. Option A is correct. Next, match the correct option. Correct option बताना. Harboring of offender 211. This is wrong. Public nuisance 267. This is wrong. Counterfeit coin 230. This is wrong. Counterfeit coins are provided under section 231. This is wrong. Public nuisance is under 268. Harboring under 212. Option asked for correct option. The correct option is trespass. 4441 is the correct answer. Next question. Indian Evidence Act 1872 was enforced on 1 सितंबर 1872. 1 सितंबर 1872 को इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट जो है फोर्स में आ चुका था. और किसने ड्राफ्ट करा था? इसको ड्राफ्ट करा था सर जेम्स एफ फिट्ज जेम्स स्टीफेंस STHEN स्टीफेंस. ओके. इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट को ड्राफ्ट करा था सर जेम्स फिट्ज जेम्स स्टीफेंस ने. और इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट डेट ऑफ कमेंसमेंट है 1 सितंबर 1872. इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट और इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट दोनों को ड्राफ्ट कराया Sir James James Stephens name. Next question 91. Which of the following section of Evidence Act is related with the admissibility of electronic record? Section 65A. Next. Choose the word which is most nearly the same as the arduous. arduous 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 का मतलब होता है डिफिकल्ट, वेरी डिफिकल्ट। इसमें हमें बताना है सेम। सेम मीन्स सिनोनिम, सेम एज द वर्ड arduous। arduous मतलब फुल ऑफ डिफिकल्टीज, नीड्स अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट। तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सिमिलर डिफिकल्ट इज द सिनोनिम। नेक्स्ट 93 इज चूज द वर्ड विच इज द अपोजिट। अपोजिट बताना हमें किसका अपोजिट ऑफ द वर्ड अबेट का। अबेट मतलब होता है असिस्ट करना, किसी को एड करना, हेल्प करना, सपोर्ट करना, इनकरेजिंग, मतलब ये सब वर्ड है। एड सिनोनिम है, पैसिफाई भी सिनोनिम है अबेट का। किस अबेट का सिनोनिम, प्रिवेंट इज अपोजिट, दिस इज नॉट सिनोनिम। तो करेक्ट आंसर अपोजिट बताना, तो अपोजिट इज प्रिवेंट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 94. Which of the following is the oldest mountain range in the India? Lowri. Next. The Tropic of Cancer passes through which one of the following states? Passing through which one of the following? Which one of the following to? अब कहाँ से ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर पास करती है ये हमें पता होना चाहिए स्टेट्स के। तो ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर जो है ये 8 स्टेट से होकर गुजरती है। कौन कौन से 8 स्टेट है? लेट्स डिस्कस देम। फर्स्ट है गुजरात, देन राजस्थान, देन मध्य प्रदेश से भी जाती है, देन छत्तीसगढ़, देन झारखंड, देन वेस्ट बंगाल। बाकी कुछ स्टेट्स मैं यहाँ लिख देता हूँ, त्रिपुरा, देन मिजोरम। 8 स्टेट हो गए, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। यस, तो ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर जो है ये 8 स्टेट से होकर गुजरती है। गुजरात, राजस्थान, एमपी, छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड, वेस्ट बंगाल, त्रिपुरा, मिजोरम। तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 96. Select the pair which has the same relation: indigent, wealthy, gauchy, graceful. Next is one who possesses many talent, जिसमें बहुत सारे टैलेंट, उसको क्या कहा जाता है? Many talents is called versatile. Which of the following words spelled correctly? Correctly spelling है ये facsimile, FACSIMILE. Next 99. Question number 99. Extreme old age, when a man behave like a child, is called dotage. Next 100. Last question. The dash of the state is efficient. The administration of state is efficient. तो ये था हमारा क्वेश्चन पेपर 2018 का। तो ये था हमारा हरियाणा पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन असिस्टेंट डिस्ट्रिक्ट अटॉर्नी एग्जामिनेशन 2018। हरियाणा ईडी का क्वेश्चन पेपर हमने 2018 का कर लिया। इसमें आप सबने देखा होगा कि मैक्सिमम जो क्वेश्चन और डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन पूछे हुए हैं, बहुत ही कम क्वेश्चन है जो कंटेंट से पूछे हुए हैं। बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि कंटेंट इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है। कहने का मतलब ये है कि बेरेक्ट इज मस्ट। इफ़ यू रीड बेरेक्ट केयरफुली यू कैन क्वालिफाई दिस एग्जाम। तो थैंक यू ऑल। अगर आपको कोई सजेशन देना है, इफ़ यू वांट टू गिव मी एनी सजेशन यू कैन ड्रॉप इन ए कमेंट, सो आई विल कंसिडर योर सजेशन इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। थैंक यू ऑल, थैंक यू।